Sonnet 154 by William Shakespeare. The little love god lying once asleep. This is the last sonnet, number 154 in Shakespeare's collection of 154 sonnets, like Sonnet 153. It is based on a classical mythological theme involving Cupid, the god of love, and focuses on love's power, temptation, desire, and human weakness. This is the full poem. The little love god lying once asleep, laid by his side his heart in flaming brand, whilst many nymphs that vowed chaste life to keep, came tripping by, but in her maiden hand. The fairest votary took up that fire which many legions of true hearts had warmed. And so the general of hot desire was sleeping by a virgin hand disarmed. This brand she quenched in a cool well by, which from love's fire took heat perpetual, growing a bath and healthful remedy for men diseased. But I, my mistress thrall, came there for cure, and this by that I prove. Love's fire heats water, water cools not love. Story of Cupid love god. Cupid, the little love god, falls asleep and leaves his torch symbol of love and desire beside him. A group of chaste nymphs virgins walk by. One of them picks up the torch, attempting to destroy it, quenching the fire. The maiden quenches the torch by dipping it into a cool, clear well. However, the water absorbs the heat of love and becomes a perpetually warm bath known to cure men's physical and emotional diseases. The poet's reflection. The poet visits this bath seeking relief from the torment of love. Yet he realizes that no water can cure the burning of true love. Love's passion transforms even the water but cannot be quenched by it. Themes: the inextinguishable nature of love, love's physical and emotional power over reason, love's connection to myth, desire, and human suffering, unfulfilled desire and longing. Conclusion: Shakespeare's Sonnet 154 uses classical mythological imagery to show how love's fire cannot be extinguished by any external force, not even water. It reflects on the eternal, inescapable nature of love and desire.